The most delicious homemade lemonade whose taste you'll never forget. You won't find anything like it in any cafe. It's delicious, refreshing, and incredibly easy to make. Start by washing your strawberries thoroughly to remove dirt and any tiny bugs. Then cut off the stems. Strawberries aren't just tasty. They're packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural sweetness that's perfect for this recipe. Place the prepared berries into a 1-gallon jar. Add a few slices of freshly cut lemon to give it that light, citrusy tang. Toss in a few sprigs of fresh mint. It adds a crisp, cooling touch. Now it's time for the sugar. Add 1 cup to get just the right sweetness. Pour in hot water to fill the jar. Seal the lid tightly and gently roll the jar on the counter for about 1 minute to let everything blend together. Then flip the jar upside down and let it sit for a while. Wait until it cools. That's it. This lemonade is pure refreshment, perfectly sweet with the fresh aroma of strawberries. It tastes like summer in a jar.